Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the funniest chicken mukbang ever. It's spicy. Look at me, look at my face. I think I'm going to eat more. And I just eat more. I just want to okay. Don't mind if this is just translated to Vietnamese, but it's going to be I just need to clear my table first. Why am I just eating it like a dog? I just ate the whole panda. Let's have a Can I have some kind of dessert, please? Okay, Oreo, please. And macaron. Right here. And can I please have more? Let me start. What? Milk. My favorite. Lick. When it's spicy, I use it to drink. I'm just finished with something. Look at me. Me when I see me when I see Oreos. Why am I so glitched? I should eat something like a dog. I should eat this ramen. Let's eat it like a dog. Yo, I only ate one. I think let's get more. Okay. What? Stop jumping at me. Hey. Okay. Okay. Sharing is caring, I know. Okay. Okay. One more time. That's I ate the whole. This is my Finished. Finished. I will exit. I will exit. I will